Incremental greetings. Today I want to share with you some feature that is kind of obscure in SuperMemo, and that is unit conversion. So let's take, for instance, this article from Simone Biles. You may know her from the Olympics or gymnastics. This is useful because we have both systems, the metric system and the imperial system. The imperial, it's only used, I think, in 3 countries worldwide. US, UK, which is the original, and another one from Africa, I think. And the rest of the world, 200 and something countries, use the metric system. So the SuperMemo, I already have this imported in my collection. SuperMemo can convert those for you when you are incrementally reading something. So here we have the reference. I will need for her weight, I will need to have this. So let's do it. So let's say that I don't know how much 103.6 pounds are in kilograms. So I right click, text, convert, and unit conversion. And then you have to select what it is. In this case are pounds. You can also use the shortcuts, but for now I will use my mouse. And voila! You can see that it's using up to 3 decimal points. So it's only 8 grams away of the whole number. And you can do other stuff. So here, body measurements are inches. So if I select that, text, convert, unit conversion, and now inches. And I get in centimeters. Now for me it's useful, right? So, and finally, there's also a conversion of speed. So let's say that I do, I don't know, let's say 200 seconds. So if I will click here, text, convert, unit conversion, and time to speed is, if I need 200 seconds to run a kilometer, at what the speed I'm running, right? So it's just 1 kilometer in 3 minutes 20 seconds. And here you go. I'm going to 18 kilometers per hour. It's good to know you can do that. So usually for that, if I can do it mentally, I use Google. But you can do it inside SuperMemo. So I think the use will be very niche, but will be useful sometime.